All right, we have breaking news coming in. The Election Commission of India has issued a notification for the election of Vice President's post scheduled to take place on the 9th of September. According to this notification, 21st August is the last date for filing nominations, while the documents will be scrutinized on the 22nd. August 25th is the last date to withdraw from the electoral battle. The post fell vacant on the 21st of July following the resignation of Jagdeep Dhankar. He cited health reasons in his resignation letter. And August 21st will be the last date for filing nominations, and 25th will be the last day to withdraw from the electoral battle, if at all. So this is the latest that we're getting at the moment. This just as the monsoon session of the Parliament started. His tenure was to originally end in August 2027. According to the constitutional provisions, in case of mid-term polls, the incumbent gets a full 5-year term. And for more on this, we're now being joined by my colleague Dharamjot Kaur on the phone line with us. Dharamjot, thank you so much for joining me on the broadcast. This is big news coming in. Of course, it was to be expected, 21st August being the last date for filing nominations. What can you tell us, Dharamjot?
Well, you're absolutely right. In fact, just last week, there was an official notification put out that an election process for the 17th vice presidential election will be carried out shortly. Now, this notification that has come out a few moments ago is an official notification to inform that the nomination process has begun. And so on August 1st, we knew that the following dates had come out, where August 21st, 2025 is going to be the last day for filing nominations for the candidates. And then after that, the election will be held for it after Jagdeep Dhankar's tenure shockingly came to an end last month. So the notification that has come out today officially informs everybody that the nomination process has begun. Now, as it is said, there is a protocol in place for the voting process to take place via an electoral college. Now, the election, which will take place on September 9, the votes will be counted on the same day. Voting will be done through a secret ballot. It usually gets counted on the same day, and we'll know the result hopefully on September 9 itself. So this is where things currently stand at the moment.
Right, Dharamjot, thank you so much for bringing us the latest on this. Of course, this is the latest that we're getting right now. The election for the Vice President's post scheduled to take place on the 9th of September. This is the latest that we have at the moment. Of course, as and when more information comes in, we will be tracking that closely. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.